Ito po ang DTF machine namin dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Ako po si Felix Morada, DTF operator ng Hongel. Ito po ang heads. Cupping, 80% pa naman to working. Tapos napalitan yung heads nito last year of October 2023. Head clean tayo. Una swiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system namin ay tama lang. Base ink tank, nalinis every Friday. Ground wire. Ito ang use ink. Ang use ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman ang inventory. Daily workload. Weekly consumption. Yellow ink na nagamit. White ink. 30 cm film. Cyan. Black. Powder. Magenta. Cleaning solution. Ito naman po ang printer jelly checklist. Maraming salamat po.